Welcome to Orderline's Ontario Building Code Quick Tips. This topic is regarding precautions during excavations, presented by Steve Penna. Contrary to popular belief, Article 912.14, Precautions during excavation. When building designs must take into consideration the distance to adjacent properties and utilities required for the excavation to be undertaken. Excavation should not damage adjacent property, existing structures, utilities, roads, and sidewalks at all stages of the construction. Materials must not be placed nor equipment be operated or placed in or adjacent to an excavation in a manner that may endanger the integrity of the excavation or its supports. As I mentioned at the beginning, contrary to popular belief, there is a requirement in the building code that states when you're excavating, you cannot damage adjacent property. So in our diagram, we show here that you are putting in shoring, or you're also putting on polyethylene sheet to keep the soil from eroding into the excavation. But also you want to make sure that you're not damaging, say, for example, on the right-hand part of the picture, the light standard or the sidewalk for that matter. In this photograph, you can see that the existing fence was removed and replaced with a temporary fence since it was damaged by the excavation. And you can see the walls of the excavation on a slight angle. However, as they excavated for this foundation for this new home, the actual fence that was there, which was an existing wood fence, was completely removed. So that is damage to adjacent property. In this photo, the shoring has been installed, which is the red arrows that may be necessary to do that to the adjacent property to ensure that you don't damage during the excavation stage. The designer should provide drawings as part of the permit drawings when they are proposing to put in shoring. And you can see in the photograph on the right-hand side, you can see an existing fence there at the top of the excavation. For more information on compliance with Part 9 of the OBC, go to www.orderline.com. Again, thank you for attending.